Hi everyone, I'm Daniel Maddern. I'm the Chief Technology Officer here at MetaEarth. So for the past 20 years, I've been working across cybersecurity, infrastructure, and emerging technologies. Most recently in Web3. So what drew me to MetaEarth wasn't just the tech, it was the mission. We're not here to build just another blockchain. We're here to build the infrastructure for digital societies for the future. So what that means is ecosystems where users actually control their data, their identity, and the value they create on chain. So it's quite a different system to what we're used to in the past. So today I'm going to run you through what we've built, how it works, and what's coming next. So firstly, why modular? Most blockchains today are monolithic. That means execution, consensus, data availability are all on the same layer. That has high costs, centralization, and big trade-offs. I think everyone remembers the big NFT mints and governance votes back in 2022. The gas prices on Ethereum were absolutely crazy. You could buy an asset worth $100 but pay $300 in gas. Having a non-modular system leads to these big trade-offs and these issues. So at MetaEarth, we've gone modular. So that means execution, consensus, data availability, and identity are all separate, purpose-built layers. This makes us more scalable, more secure, and more flexible for developers. Each part of the system can evolve independently, it can be upgraded, and it's fast. Developers can choose how they want to build. So the central core part of MetaEarth is what we call rollups. Rollups are like a personal blockchain. They're fast, they're lightweight, and they're custom built for an app or a community. So let's say you're building a DeFi rollup. With other chains, you're competing for block space with dozens of games, NFT drops, and DAO votes. And that's happening all the time across Web3. With MetaEarth, when you launch a rollup, you get your own dedicated execution environment. So that comes with no congestion, no noisy neighbors, and you still benefit from the shared security and infrastructure that MetaEarth provides. You can kind of think of it as the revolution of cloud computing in Web 2. So with a modular infrastructure, you become more scalable, you're still isolated, but you're networked. So this makes it easy to launch, and you don't need to build from scratch. You just develop, connect, and go. So ownership isn't just about tokens. It's about identity. So that's why we're building MeID. This is our decentralized identity system. MeID lets you prove who you are without revealing everything. You can carry your preferences, your reputation, and your achievements across different rollups. You can stay private, but still verifiable. It works a bit like a passport, but one you control, not a corporation. And because it's modular, developers can plug into rollups with minimal effort. This unlocks everything from personalized gaming to secure DAO voting and even credit systems that don't rely on traditional banks. So when we built MetaEarth, we built it with developers in mind. The system is EVM and WebAssembly compatible. So if you build on Ethereum, you're already halfway there to releasing on MetaEarth. It's zero code friendly, so we'll have drag and drop tooling for launching rollups, and it's fully interoperable. Rollups can talk to each other using cross-chain messaging that doesn't require any bridges or extra infrastructure. We're also integrating support for AI agents on-chain, tokenized real-world assets, and eventually fully automated digital economies. This isn't just Web3 infrastructure, it's next-gen digital infrastructure. So what's coming next? In the coming year, there'll be a public testnet where people can test rollups. There'll be an SDK for developers to build with MeID, and the first ecosystem partners will start going live. There's also going to be a community-driven roadmap for features we want to build together. We're not here just to build tech, we're here to build trustworthy infrastructure for a new digital era. We want users to own more, developers to build faster, and communities to have real power. Oh.
Yeah.
So final thoughts. MetaEarth is about freedom through design. It's not just freedom to move your money, but freedom to move your identity, your creations, and your communities across open, sovereign digital worlds. And we're not just dreaming it, we're building it. And I couldn't be more excited to share what we're building with you. Thank you everyone for coming.